Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer knowledge articles from Guru to Zendesk, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer knowledge articles from Guru to Zendesk, start by organizing your current knowledge articles in Guru. Identify the articles that you want to migrate. Log into your Guru account and navigate to the knowledge base. Select the article you wish to export. Copy the title of the article. Now, open a text editor or spreadsheet to compile the articles. Next, copy the content of the article from Guru. Paste this content into your text editor or spreadsheet, ensuring the formatting remains intact. Repeat this process for all articles you want to transfer. Once all articles are compiled, log into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Help Center section in Zendesk. Select the option to create a new article. Begin by pasting the title from your text editor into the title field in Zendesk. Now, paste the content you copied earlier into the body of the new article. Review and format the content as needed to align with Zendesk's formatting options. Add any necessary tags or categories to help with article organization in Zendesk. Once all details are entered, preview the article to check for any errors or formatting issues. If everything looks correct, proceed to publish the article. Repeat this process for all remaining articles until the migration is complete. After all articles are published, conduct a final review in the Zendesk Help Center. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure clarity and consistency. Finally, inform your team about the newly migrated articles so they can begin utilizing them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.